Hi, my name is Michelle Minogue and I'm the leader of Team Soiree Babes within younique. If you're watching this video, this means you've taken the very first steps to learn more about our amazing opportunity and younique as a company. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact me through Facebook or at my website at soireebabes.com. younique is an American-based company which was established in 2012. We are the fastest direct sales company in the world. The company founders are a brother and sister team, Derek Maxfield and Melanie Huscroft. In 2017, Coty, the world's largest manufacturer of beauty products, approached younique for a partnership. younique are now a $9 billion company. Soiree Babes is an elite team and founded in August 2015. We have a very strong leg with lots of training and support. Being your own boss means you can set your own hours, set your own targets. There are no enforced targets. You work from the comfort of your own home, or you can pretty much work from anywhere. We are paid instantly within 3 hours after every sale. And you will make so many new friends and absolutely gain so much more confidence. Joining our team is easy once you've decided that this opportunity is for you. Speak to your sponsor and use the simple sign-up process online using your sponsor's website. Join our social media groups. Have or create a Facebook account and Instagram. Once you sign up, you will receive the starter kit, a free website, training and support, personal support, and ongoing help and guidance. The presenters kit. Now we're on to the presenters kit. Okay, so to become a presenter, you are required to purchase a new presenters kit. In the UK, this is £69 plus postage and packaging. If you need this information in a different currency, please ask and we'll provide you with this information. The contents of this kit is actually worth over £262. The presenter kit also changes around every 3 to 6 months. What you get once you join: you get the presenters kit, products to the value of over £260. You get samples, you have access to the younique virtual party system, you have a free e-commerce website, you get a pay quicker bank account where your commission is paid, you get £20 younique cash on your birthday every year, no additional cost ever, and full training and support. Okay, so we are currently in 12 countries: the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Spain, Mexico, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, USA, Hong Kong, Italy and Ireland, and we are soon to be in Portugal. We launch in Portugal on October the 1st, 2018. Okay, so on to our car bonus. Any presenters who are paid as an elite or exclusive status will receive a car bonus each month in addition to their commission. Presenters will receive a car kit with exclusive younique accessories the first time they qualify for the car bonus. The kit includes a chrome license plate cover, a silver younique branded keychain, a chrome flourish emblem and a flourish decal. Our yearly incentive trip. Qualifying presenters are rewarded with an incentive trip each year. This year, in 2018, it is the Moon Palace Resort in Mexico. Previous years have been a Jamaican cruise, West Indies getaway, a Mexican cruise, and the Dominican Republic. In October this year sometime, we will find out where our incentive trip is for 2019. Our compensation plan: you will earn between 20 and 30% on all sales. You will also earn between 3 and 6% on team sales if you decide to build a team. There's more to learn about our plan, and I'd be happy to discuss this with you in more detail. On top of this, we also get product cash, half price items, bonuses and incentives. Work anywhere on any device, if it be a iPad, laptop, computer, iPhone, Android. You can work on pretty much any device you have. I find it easier working from my phone mainly, and I have ladies who prefer the iPad, and I love my laptop if I'm creating documents. And there are some things you can do on Facebook on a laptop that you can't on your phone, but the choice is yours ultimately. Training and support. When you join the team, you will share in the knowledge of every member of the team and our full upline. You'll have access to training guides compiled by the team, younique and other presenters. You will never be alone. Everyone supports everyone, no matter what level we are. On your website, you will also find a training centre with lots of training and support, and younique also have a training YouTube channel. Our global market, we are currently launched in 12 countries and growing. I think, as you heard before earlier in the video, that we're in the UK, France, Germany, Spain, Mexico, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, USA, Hong Kong, Italy and Ireland, and we're soon to be in Portugal. You can sell or sponsor to any of these countries that we have already launched in. Okay, so now on to the younique Foundation, which was one of our charities, was the mission behind this company to begin with. And we inspire hope in women who were sexually abused as children or adolescents by hosting them at our retreat in Utah. We are also about to start building one in London. Every purchase made supports the younique Foundation, uplifting, empowering and validating women, raising awareness and supporting victims of sexual abuse, also educating parents to keep their children safe. Okay, on to a couple of our products. Here you'll see the 3D Fibre Mascara. This is one of our most popular products and probably the product that made us as big as we are. It's a 2-1 system. One is a fibre, one is a gel, and it can increase the volume and length up to 500%. Okay, one of our new product lines is something that we haven't done before, but we now have some fragrances which are absolutely gorgeous. And as we have Coty behind us on these sort of products, and they've been doing perfumes and fragrances for a very long time. The yellow one is definitely my favourite. Okay, so our products, they are naturally based, as close to nature as possible. They're 100% not tested on animals on every ingredient throughout the chain. There's no harmful chemicals. We have a range of gluten-free products. We have a range of vegan-friendly and latex-free. Please ask for a list of products for any allergies. Okay, so we have come to the end. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been useful to you. So if you're thinking about joining, it's very simple. Go to my website at www.soireebabes.com, click on the Join tab and follow the simple instructions to get started. Alternatively, contact me on any of these. I have Facebook, Instagram, telephone, email, Facebook business page, or you can contact me on any of those. Thank you for taking the time to watch and hope to work with you soon.